Thursday, the 19th of June. Is that right? 2025? We've just turned right on Roswell Road, Georgia 120. We're going to the Walmart on Powers Ferry. Going to the Walmart on Johnson Ferry. We'll go down the road here on Georgia 120, and we'll turn left on Johnson Ferry and go out to, I think it's Piedmont, if I remember correctly. I can't remember all these roads up there. I've been to worked in so many different places, contracting over 40 years. I can't remember every name of every street. We could cut through up here, but we're not. We're going to go the longer way. Yeah, we could cut Providence. We could come back Providence unless we decide to go a longer route. Up here at Johnson Ferry, to the right, will take you down across the Chattahoochee into. Well, we're in Cobb. We may have just come across into Fulton. I'm not sure. I don't know. I can't remember. But anyway, that would turn into then what? Not Abernathy, is it? But anyway, if you turn left, it'll take you up to Piedmont. That's the way we're going. I think it's Piedmont. I can't remember that anymore. 1:30 in the afternoon. Somebody. 76 degrees. People drive like absolute idiots now. They really do. I've noticed an increase since COVID as well. I don't know. I have a theory that it could be the people that took the vaccination and the vaccines got them filed up. I don't know. She won't look over here. Well, she probably doesn't even know she did anything wrong. But anyway, call me crazy, but people are acting, it's not just driving, they're acting so much different. They're acting so differently, whatever. From before COVID to after COVID. So, take it for what it's worth. I attribute it to the vaccine. Absolutely no scientific data, just my opinion. And just in case you're wondering, I still act the same. If that tells you anything. This area up here has really changed since we started working up here. I guess it's closer to 40 years ago now. None of this stuff was up here. We came up here, I guess, starting way up this part, up here working on these office buildings up here for Marchman Sons years and years ago. For those of you that have purchased houses for Marchman Sons or Cowart Rentals, Tommy Ripley, Ed Pritchett, Doug Roberts, Eric I can't remember his last name. There's so many. Jim Reynolds. There's so many contractors we work for up here. Richard Adams, Lee Haddock. A lot of people a lot of names I can't even remember. Perfect example of don't block the interchange, isn't it? No need honking at them. There's nowhere for them to go. Now we can't go, and the people on the left want to go. People are absolutely brilliant, aren't they? Absolutely brilliant. Yeah, look at all this stuff there is, everything to eat. There wasn't anything to eat up here. You had to bring your lunch or you had to snack. There was a Dairy Queen later on up here to the right. Now it's long gone. Yeah, but those Johnson Square there on the left, those office buildings, that's where we started working up here. I don't know how long ago. 89, 90. Before that. Those office buildings have even been renovated since we were up here. I don't know that we'll go back that way. You know, and y'all see why. House to walk through, get video of. Bishop Lake down through there. We could go down Piedmont and turn on Sandy Plains and come around from the back way. We do have Sandy Plains. Be nice to have it again. We haven't got it in a couple of years. Now, is this Providence here? Could we have come out right here? No, this is Stewart Mill. We could have taken Stewart Mill maybe further up. Okay. And I may have given out some wrong information. I've gotten where I give out so much bad information. Don't pay any attention to the stuff I say. Not unless you know it to be true or can verify it before you pass it on. We're getting on this camera mount. I'm wondering if I've got something going on with the tire. last intersection we came through, I think we turned right there and went down and did work in the subdivision down there on the left. Or it may still be up here a little further. There was a Walmart closer, but I wanted to come to this one so y'all could get Johnson Ferry, so we get Johnson Ferry for you again. I'm pretty sure we've got it, but I wanted to get it. Wedgewood, we worked in there, I think. Post Oak Trip. I wiped the lens off. It looks like it may be more clear. We may have had a cloudy lens. We may go back Post Oak Trip. The transmission's been giving us all kind of grief, but right now it's doing fine. It could be a heat issue, but it shouldn't be. I added an external transcooler on out here, and this has the internal cooler in the radiator. Hey, clean roads. How about selling me that Jeep cheap? I need parts for mine, or either start driving a different one. It's got problems with everything we have. But that's what you get driving 30-year-old vehicle. This is the newest thing I've got. It's 26 years old, 25 years old. Got this one April of 2000. 95 Grand Cherokee, April of 95, and the 97 Cherokee got it in December of 13. I think Walmart, yeah, okay, Walmart is right here. Here we go. We'll go ahead and get a couple of things, then we will go up to, right up the street right there, I think it's Piedmont, and turn left, and then we'll figure out where we're going, which way. Because we can't remember all this mess. This video is 13 minutes. Do we want to make it a separate video, or do we want to... We'll start that other one off as a separate video, but we may combine them. We'll see. We won't get this one going until we finish that other one, the next one, and see what we want to do. Although we could go ahead and be getting this one up.